Welcome to Beautyistic, where flawless beauty meets real-world experience. Today, I'm excited to dive into a product that promises professional-grade results right at your fingertips, the TEMPTU One Airbrush Makeup Kit. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast or just looking for a more efficient way to apply makeup, this cordless airbrush system might be the answer you've been searching for. The TEMPTU One Airbrush Kit is designed to provide a skin-like, semi-matte finish with its unique Atomized Airflow Technology. This technology breaks down the makeup into a microfine mist, ensuring that the formula glides onto your skin evenly for a perfect complexion. It's meant to deliver weightless, breathable coverage that feels like nothing on the skin, ideal for those who want a natural look, but with that perfect airbrush finish. What I love about this system is its customizable coverage. You get the flexibility to adjust the airflow to suit your needs. Whether you're after a light, sheer coverage for a natural glow, or you need more medium or full coverage for special events or photo shoots, this kit has got you covered. You can even use it to spot conceal, highlight, and contour, which is perfect for getting that perfectly sculpted look without the heaviness of traditional makeup. Let's talk about imperfection correction. The TEMPTU One system works like a magic eraser for your skin. It smooths out fine lines, minimizes pores, and conceals blemishes and discoloration. That's one of the standout features of airbrush makeup. It can disguise imperfections in a way that's not only seamless, but feels incredibly lightweight. Now, for the pro-level performance. This kit is engineered to meet the standards of professional makeup artists. The results are long-lasting, and the application is instant. The formula blends easily for a finish that stays put, even through the longest days or the most active events. Whether you're using it for a photo shoot, a wedding, or simply everyday use, the staying power is remarkable. The Airpod system is also a major selling point. It's reusable and refillable, allowing you to mix different shades to create your perfect tone. Whether you're using the larger Airpod for the body or the smaller one for the face, this flexibility is key to making sure you're always getting the most out of your investment. It's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on professional quality. When it comes to usability, the system is straightforward to incorporate into your beauty routine. The cordless compressor makes it incredibly portable, and the soft touch control ensures precision and ease of use, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned makeup artist. Of course, with any product, there are a few things to consider. The initial setup may take a little bit of practice as you get used to the airbrush technique. It's also important to note that while the system works wonders for skin imperfections, if you're looking for a more matte finish for extremely oily skin, you might need to layer a bit of powder for extra staying power. In terms of value for money, the TEMPTU One Airbrush Kit is definitely a high-end option, but it delivers results that justify the price tag. If you're looking for an investment that gives you professional, flawless results with the convenience of home use, this is a top contender. Plus, the Airpod system is reusable, which helps set the cost over time. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are some budget-friendly airbrush kits on the market that deliver decent results, but none quite match the quality and precision of the TEMPTU One system. If you're just starting out and want to experiment without going all in, there are cheaper brands like Lumines that offer more affordable airbrush options, though the performance and longevity might not match what TEMPTU provides. As far as build quality goes, this kit feels sturdy and well-designed. The compressor is lightweight and easy to handle, and the AirPods are durable. This is one of those products that's built to last, and given the investment, you'll want it to. In terms of customer service, TEMPTU is known for providing excellent support and assistance when it comes to troubleshooting or product issues. Their reputation for professional-grade service ensures that you won't be left high and dry if something goes wrong. So, does the TEMPTU One Airbrush Makeup Kit live up to its claims? Absolutely. It provides flawless, customizable coverage, a long-lasting finish, and the precision needed for even the most intricate makeup looks. If you're someone who values high-quality makeup that can be applied easily and lasts all day, this is a game changer. It's especially great for those who need a product that can handle both daily wear and professional applications. If this review helped you, Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've already tried the TEMPTU One, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.